All right. I'm going to ask you some questions about language, right? What languages do you speak, or how many languages do you speak?
Yes, I speak Urdu and English language.
Just a second. First, you say, I speak 3 to 4 languages. First of all, I speak Urdu because it is my national language. On the other hand, I also speak, and finally, I can speak this a little as well. So just use signpost language, first of all. Secondly, and first tell the number of languages. So, how many languages can you speak?
I speak 4 to 3 languages.
I can speak three
I,
to four, not 4 to 3, 3 to 4.
I can speak 3 to 4 languages. First, Urdu is my
First of all,
first of all, Urdu is my national language, and English is.
now, first of all, Urdu is my national language and I can speak it perfectly.
I can.
Right? Secondly,
Secondly, English is international language, which I speak.
and
Uh,
finally, I can speak a little Punjabi, which is our regional language. So, to answer your question, I can speak 3 languages. Clear?
yes.
Yeah. Let's go on. When did you learn to speak English?
I learned speak English. Uh, I learned speak
I
English.
learned to speak
I
English.
learned to speak English when I was in first standard. Probably I was in 5 years old that time, and
Okay, your
which is.
answer is not properly organized, right? For example, when did you learn English? I started learning English at first standard when I was at school. I still remember A for apple, B for bad. That is how I started. And then throughout my schooling, I continued to learn English. So, to answer your question, I started learning this language since my early childhood. Early childhood, another good thing, okay? Let's go on. Do you think English is a difficult language to learn?
No, I think it's not difficult to learn English language because it depends on person who giving extra time to practice it or not.
Okay, so according to me, English is not difficult. If you practice, you can easily learn it. You need to focus your sentence structure as well. One last question. Would you like to learn any other language in the future?
Yes, I would like to learn Spanish language in future because I really like it. Whenever get to chance to go Spain, I would like to. I will learn Spanish
I will
language.
learn Spanish language. Okay, repeat after me. Uno,
Uno,
dos,
dos,
tres.
tres.
Uno, dos, tres. You started it already, huh? Good one. Next, please. Yeah. Just bring the mic closer to you. Sarana liya diye. Okay. The topic is smile. Smile. Yeah. Do you always smile?
No, I don't always smile, but I usually often smile on entertaining videos and games.
Okay, this is a very short answer. At least 1 to 2 more sentences. Do you like smiling?
Yes, I like smiling because it is a good thing that shows your attitude and you will impress other from your
Okay,
smiling.
so to answer your question, I love to smile. That is why I always try to keep a smile on my face, yeah, to look like a smiley. Should people smile more?
Yes, because
आगे नहीं आता huh? All right, should people smile more? Yes, I think people should smile more for various reasons. First of all, smile can increase their face beauty. On the other hand, if you smile, you feel good. So I think for these 2 reasons, people should try to smile as often as possible. Let's go on. Do you smile when taking photos?
yes, I always smile because without smile the photos is not good, and if you smile your photos is very clear.
Okay. Do you smile when everyone is smiling? Yeah. Do you
Yes,
smile when everyone is
yes,
smiling?
yes,
You don't know the reason. Yeah.
yes, I smile when everyone is smiling because I feel better.
Okay,
when I smile.
so your answers are too short. You need to add, although you are answering, but these answers are very, very short. You need to add some
लेकिन
more
सर
to your
मुझे
answer.
complex sentence और compound नहीं आते,
It's
सिर्फ
not
simple
about
आते हैं.
complex and compound, it's about speaking, right? Make simple sentences, but speak more.
Yes.
Okay? All right. Okay, thank you.